24-year-old woman from Kerala who went missing while trekking in the Tadiandamol Hills of Kodagu has been found safe after an intense 4-day search operation. The development was confirmed on Sunday by the Office of Karnataka Forest Minister Eshwar Khandre. The woman, identified as GS Sharanya, had travelled alone from Kerala and was staying at a private homestay in Kakkabe village. On April 2nd, she began her trek to the high mountain range along with a guide and 15 other trekkers. However, later that afternoon, Sharanya went missing. Before losing contact, she made a phone call to the homestay, informing them that she had lost her way. Following her disappearance, authorities immediately launched a large-scale search operation. 5 search teams comprising around 50 personnel were initially deployed. These teams included police, the anti-Naxal squad, a dog squad, and forest department staff. As the search intensified, 4 additional teams with 40 personnel were added, taking the total number of teams to 9. Officials also used advanced thermal drones to locate Sharanya, while local tribal residents joined the search efforts, helping authorities navigate the challenging terrain. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, directed officials to intensify the search operation. Meanwhile, Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, wrote to Siddaramaiah requesting urgent personnel intervention and asking for more teams to be deployed to ensure Sharanya's safe rescue. Forest Minister Eshwar Khandre said the search operation was carried out based on Sharanya's last known phone location. He also appreciated the support from local residents who played a crucial role in the rescue effort. Sharanya, who works as an IT professional, is now being brought back safely and will soon be reunited with her family, bringing relief after 4 days of uncertainty and anxious waiting.